Help all kids learn and grow with PBS Kids. Thank you for supporting your PBS station.
We're here in South America, in the largest rainforest in the world, the Amazon. We're down here, you see us? We're like little ants. Come closer. It's us, the Kratts brothers. I'm Martin. I'm Chris. And tiny ants are a big part of the creature world here in rainforests.
Oh yeah, ants have surprising creature powers, and they lead complex and busy lives. So let's go find some rainforest ants. Look at this path. This well-worn path through the forest is made by millions of ants marching through. These little ants are so strong. Each one of them is carrying a piece of leaf that is about 5 or 10 times its body size, overcoming every bump and obstacle in their way, never letting go of the leaf. Looks like they're heading that way.
They're all coming here, to this ant nest. You see this mound of earth? That's part of the underground ant nest. And it moves all the way up the slope to this giant mound here. This whole area is part of the ant nest. Wow, there is a lot going on underground.
Check it out. This ant trail ends in this nest entrance right here. And you can see all these ants going inside. But what are they doing with the leaves down in the nest? I wish we could go in there and find out.
Imagine if we could join the colony of leafcutter ants.
Imagine if we had leafcutter ant power.
What if?
On adventure with the coolest creatures, from the oceans to the trees. The brothers Kratts are going places you never get to see. Hanging with their creature friends, get ready, it's the hour. We're gonna save some animals today with creature power. Gonna go wild, wild Kratts, gonna go wild, wild, wild Kratts. Gonna go wild, wild Kratts, gonna go wild, wild, wild.
Cheetah speed and lizard climb, shark and flight and lion ride.
Gonna go wild, wild Kratts, gonna go wild, wild, wild Kratts. Gonna go wild, wild Kratts, gonna go wild, wild, wild Kratts. Go wild, wild, wild Kratts.
The real ant farm.
Hey! You can have one. Got it? One. That's it. We didn't come to help with the harvest on Scarlett's family farm so you could eat all the carrots.
Thanks again for all your help, Koki.
Glad to. It's about time that Jimmy learned a thing or two about farming. Right, Jimmy?
Rightio! Got more corn and tomatoes. My farming skills are really gonna be a knock. Out. These tomatoes are ripe and juicy.
Careful with the vegetables, Jimmy. Every part of the harvest is precious on the farm.
I know. So why aren't the others helping again?
They said they were going to help with a different kind of harvest.
All the way in the Amazon rainforest? That's on another continent.
Said it was important. And they insisted on taking Aviva, too.
I guarantee they're just off monkeying around. Hey!
Woohoo! Spider monkey creature power! Oh yeah! This is the way to move around the rainforest. Woohoo! The rocket jet in mini size isn't so bad either, especially when we're searching for some pals in the mini creature world.
I still have no idea what creatures you dragged me here to find. The suspense is killing me. Ah!
That's it! You found them! Leafcutter ants! Woohoo! This is one of the coolest kinds of ants! Look at them all, carrying large chunks of leaves.
Where are they coming from? What's with the leaves?
Let's follow the leaf collectors back to the source. Up here! They're coming from up here! These are some seriously busy worker ants. Wow! They're collecting leaves all the way up here in the canopy. Those jaws are like sharp scissors, cutting up the leaves into chunks. Heave-ho! The chunk gets raised into traveling position. And she's off. This takes some serious strength.
That leaf chunk weighs as much as she does.
That's right. Right this way. Everyone file in.
Whoa! Easy! You got the wrong idea. I'm not a threat. Ow! Sharp jaws.
The soldiers have got him.
Chris, help!
They'll attack anything that gets too close.
Ow! Easy with the jaws. Help!
Gotcha, Martin.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Wow, I'm free.
That was close. Saved you from the jaws of death. Oof.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
No problem. Now the question is, where are they taking those leaves?
Let's follow the line. Aviva, we need to join these ants.
Leafcutter ant power suits coming up.
Awesome! No more monkeying around. Deactivate! We'll be with you soon, little pals.
Pick up the satellite signal! I want the signal! My Zatbots are out there collecting intelligence on those wild rats, and I want to see what they're up to. Huh? Ants? They're watching puny little ants! Hey, zoom in. Good workers. Small, but...
Gotta keep up, Jimmy.
The ants are way better workers than he is. Light bulb! No, I don't need a light bulb. I mean light bulb. Like I have an idea. It's a saying, light bulb. Oh, forget it. I'm going to create robot ant farmers. It's genius. And these robot ants will collect all the vegetables on every farm everywhere. So anyone who wants a vegetable will have to come get them from me. And only me. It'll be the latest innovation from the greatest animal robot inventor in the world. Me, Zach Varmatech. Now, let's go collect those ants. Come on, Zapbots. We're heading to South America and the Amazon rainforest.
Wow, these ants give new meaning to working together. Every ant has its own job. The workers gather and transport the leaves, and the soldiers, with big, massive heads and jaws, protect the workers from danger.
It's amazing. Totally different body forms for different jobs. I'll try to get that into the power suit program.
Yeah, and it's more than just those two types. Look closely at this leaf. These extra small worker ants are leafcutter ants too. They just have a different job. They ride the leaves, cleaning any parasites off the leaves. And if a parasitic phorid fly tries to lay its eggs on the ant, the small ant chases it off, protecting the worker from that type of attack.
You're kidding! These leafcutter ants are blowing my mind. That is so cool. Okay, I located the body form variants on the ant DNA sequence, linking to power suit module. And the rest we can do on the fly.
Don't you mean on the ant?
Ready to go for a power suit test?
Ready? Insert leafcutter ant power disc. Touch leafcutter ant and activate leafcutter ant power. Leafcutter ant power. Wow, I feel like getting to work.
Wait, Chris. Press the third button.
I must defend my fellow ants. Soldier on!
Press it again.
Got it clean, clean and tidy, parasite-free. Got a leaf I can ride?
All forms work. What's it gonna be, Chris?
Worker form. That's the one for now. Gotta join the colony. One for all and all for one. I'm detecting chemical cues. The trail. It's marked by chemicals that I can sense with my antennae. Oh, excuse me, just cutting in. Let's do this, team. Little creatures can do big things when they work together.
Aviva, get another disc going. I've got to get in there.
2 more coming up. 1 for you and 1 for me. The bigger the team, the better.
That's it. Run along after your chemical trail in your little bug costumes. We have some real work to do.
I think we're almost there, Martin.
Good. Not much farther, Aviva.
Whew! My step counter is over 100,000.
Oh, tell me about it. We're going on 200 feet worth of ant steps. For a human, it would be like walking 6 miles.
It's amazing how many trips they make each day. That's major trekking. Woo! We made it! The underground nest. Look at all the 2-way ant highways going off in all directions.
I wonder what they're doing with all those leaves down there.
Let's find out.
Okay, who can pick these up delicately? Show me! Ow! Not me! Put me down! Oh! Not delicate! You! Any ideas? Ooh! They march right through the one-way door and into the trap. Glad I thought of that. Jackpots! Fan out! Collect them all! These ants are all working for me now!
Wow! Entering the ant nest.
Glad we're following them. It'd be easy to get lost in all these tunnels.
Whoa! A nest chamber.
It's bustling with activity in here.
Oh, okay. We're supposed to pass on the leaves now?
Yeah, to the much smaller worker ants.
Okay, here you go. Hey, they're eating the leaves.
They're not eating them. They're breaking them down, processing them.
They chew them up, mix them with saliva, and make a sort of goo.
A goo that they can grow something on.
Grow something? Like a farmer does?
Exactly.
Increíble! They're preparing this leafy goo like a farmer prepares soil.
That's it, Jimmy. Keep the fertilizer coming. We gotta make sure the soil is full of nutrients, moist, and ready for planting.
Why can't we just throw the seeds on the ground?
Because they'll grow much better if they're planted in good-tilled soil.
These ants are actually farmers. They've been farming for millions and millions of years, way before humans started doing it.
So what exactly are they growing on the leaf goo?
Come on, I'll show you. Ta-da! In this field, the crop's already grown.
So the white stuff, what is it?
Fungus! It's a fungus farm.
Fungus farm? As in mushroom family?
Yeah, it's basically a field of tiny white mushrooms.
The small workers here tend to the precious growing fungus.
Wow! And all the ants in the colony eat those little mushrooms?
Yup, they eat the white tips on top. See? She's eating one right now.
They don't look tasty. I'll take a tomato any day.
Hey, some little workers are harvesting fungus to bring to other members of the colony, like the larvae. I'll give you a hand with the harvest, pal.
And I'll help you ants plant the new garden. Okay, got it. You carry bits of fungus in your mandibles to spread it around.
Come on, Chris. Plant it right over here. And now mix it in. I can't believe we're helping ant farmers plant their fields.
It's the real ant farm.
Great job, Scarlet. Okay, Jimmy, this trench is ready for the seeds.
Seeds of tomatoes. Grow, little seeds, grow. Soon you'll be a big tomato plant with juicy red tomatoes.
That's the idea, Jimmy. I'd say now's a good time to get some more seeds.
Okay, I'll be back later.
Aviva, come in. It's Koki here. Are you done down there yet? We sure could use your help on the farm.
Koki, it's so cool. Leafcutter ants are actually farmers. They've got fields and fields of fungus down here. And they're... Oh no! They're gone!
Who's gone?
The ants! They're gone! We've got trouble down here on the ant farm.
Keep it up! No one fall behind! We need lots of robot ants! Keep them coming! An ant goes into each robot. That will provide the essence, the instinct that each robot ant will need. And finally, I'll sync the mind control functions between robot and ant brain with the push of a button, like this. Ha! You're mine, little buggy. Okay, keep the production line going and then send them out to join us. Now, let's collect every vegetable in the world. And I know just the farm to start with here in North America. March!
This is really bad. Without any workers to bring leaves to the nest, these fungus gardens will die out. It's the ants' only food source. They need to keep the fungus gardens alive, or the whole colony will die.
Then it's up to us to collect leaves for the ants. Come on!
But we'll never be able to collect enough leaves by ourselves. We need to figure out what happened to all the ants.
Well, predators, like tamanduas, some birds, and reptiles will eat these ants. But for the whole entire ant workforce to just disappear, it doesn't make any sense.
Mayday! Koki to ant people! Come in, ant people! Mayday!
What's up, Koki?
I think I know what happened to your ant friends. Zach must have used them on his latest robotic scheme.
Zach, we should have known. Don't worry, Koki. We're on our way. We've got to get back there, and fast.
We can take the rocket jet. Come on.
I'll stay here and protect what's left of the colony. Hurry!
To the creature rescue!
Hey! Oh! Hey! Careful, man! I've got a beverage here!
What are you up to this time, Zach?
Oh, well, thank you very much for your interest. I am taking over the harvest of all the vegetables on this farm.
Actually, that doesn't sound so bad.
You can't do that, Zach. This is Scarlett's farm, and these vegetables are hers. We worked hard to grow them.
And I appreciate that, I really do. But now, they're mine. You can't stop the ants. Watch! Robotic ants, collect vegetables! If you want to buy the vegetables from me, you can. I'll also be starting a robot ant delivery service. Soon, everyone will buy their food from me. I'll be so rich!
That's not fair to those leafcutter ants. They shouldn't have to work for you.
But they're so good at it, see? That's it! Collect it all! Then we'll move on to the next farm. Genius, huh?
Gotta tell Her Majesty the Queen. Whoa! You are one big ant. We've got a crisis in the colony, Queenie. Listen, I know your job is to lay eggs constantly. 10 million babies every year. In fact, all the ants in the entire colony are your kids. It's amazing. I just came here to tell you to keep doing your job. Don't worry about a thing. We've got you covered. Teamwork, right? The greatest motto of the ant. All for one and one for all. Okay, you winged ants. We need you for backup. Come with me. Just follow my chemical trail.
Wow, that's a lot of robot ants.
I see the miniaturizer. To normal size.
To the leafcutter ant rescue!
Oh, no, you don't, robot ant. Stop right there. Yeah. Ugh. Uh-oh. Zach has soldiers, too. You're strong, but my suits are too.
Better switch to soldier. That's more like it. All right, Zach, release the leafcutter ants.
Oh, good! Your silly costume against my robot. You're on.
Bring it! You won't get away with this, Zach!
Just watch me!
You ants are the last hope. If we can't save the colony, it's up to winged ants like you to go and start new ones. That's right, take some fungus with you in your mouth pouch. This fungus is specially cultivated by leafcutter ants. It's found nowhere else in nature. Use it to start new gardens, new colonies of leafcutter ants. But protect that fungus at all costs. Don't let it die, or your new colonies will not survive. Fly, ants, fly. Good luck! May you become queens and grow new colonies of ants. And may your fungus gardens flourish!
Miss me! And again! Ha! What are you getting tired? Hey, what's going on with the ant robot?
Ha! Zach, your robot ants, they're losing power.
No, they're not. They just need a snack. Zackbots, feed those little ant varmints. I don't know. Pumpkin, corn, tomatoes, whatever.
Leafcutter ants eat only one thing. Gotta get that remote.
A job for a small form worker. Yes!
Get those robot ants back to work.
Hey, Zach! Watch this move.
Okay. If you think that's great, watch this. Who's there?
Sorry, Zach. Game over. Soldier ants, disengage!
No! Oh! No! Oh, these little pesky ants are no good anyway. They won't eat anything. Zackbots, retreat! You can have your little ant friends. I'll get you next time, wild rats.
That's wild, Kratts. Nice save, Aviva. But we got another problem.
What?
It's the ants.
Great job! You did it!
Problem, Martin?
The ants are starving.
And we don't have any fungus to feed them.
Aw, the ants can't die.
Special delivery! Leafcutter ant fungus. Who's hungry?
The ants, releasing now.
Just in time, brother o' mine. One for all and all for one.
It's snack time. Veggies, anyone?
Creature mission accomplished. We saved the leafcutter ants from Zach.
Yeah, and save my family's farm too.
And we got to know the real ant farmers.
I can't believe ants are actually fungus farmers. It's so cool.
Being a farmer helped me appreciate veggies more too. Huh?
Sometimes we farmers have to defend our crops from you. But hey, you're an awesome little creature.
What do you say that after snack we get these miniature farmers back home, living free and in the wild?
All for one and one for all!
That's the motto of the leafcutter ants.
Millions of leafcutter ants gather bits of leaves from the treetops, bring them all the way down the tree trunks, across the forest floor, and then carry them down these ant trails.
To the nest, where they bring the leaves underground and grow fungus on them for the whole colony to eat. They're fungus farmers. But for leafcutter ants, all this isn't just about hard work.
Because there is danger out there on the ant trail. This is a smoky frog. The smoky frog eats all sorts of insects, including leafcutter ants. Hey, and check this out. They actually live in leafcutter ant holes. That's what you call staying close to your snacks. Whoa, there he goes, off to find some ants.
This is a tamandua. It's a type of anteater. They really like termites, but they'll also eat some ants. And check it out. See his tongue?
Anteater tongues are awesome. Look at it flicking and lapping up all the termites on the way down the tree. And see the claws? You can see the huge hook-like claws. They rip into any part of the termite mound or any part of the termite nest structure that's going down the tree. The claws rip it open and the tongue laps up the termites. What a cool creature. And this is a great arboreal animal. See how great a climber he is? That's because he has those claws for gripping and a prehensile tail. The prehensile tail is like another arm, a fifth arm, that can wrap around and grab onto branches. See, he walks right across the branches, no problem, and up another tree, searching for termites.
Leafcutter ants are just one ant species that does incredible things.
Oh, yeah, there are so many amazing kinds of ants. So be nice to ants and keep on creature adventuring.
We'll see you on the creature trail.
Find out more about cool animals and collect your own Wild Kratts creature powers, go to the Wild Kratts website at pbskids.org. We'll see you there!